One of the things I think you need to consider when you're going into the courtroom is, number one, how you dress. I have been surprised in seeing people get on the elevator and they're dressed in t-shirt and shorts to go to a criminal trial or criminal hearing. And I'm thinking that just doesn't show respect to the jury, doesn't show respect to the judge, doesn't show respect to the system. You want to show respect to the system by dressing appropriately. It's better to be overdressed for court than underdressed for court. That is the first thing I'll tell my clients. Put on a shirt and tie if you're a male, put on a dress or a suit if you're a female, and dress appropriately. You're showing respect to those jurors. The jurors probably going to be casually dressed, business casual. But again, you're showing respect to the courtroom and the system by being appropriately dressed. The other thing is, one of the fails I've seen, and this happened to me one time in trial, is one of my clients was rolling her eyes during closing argument. I didn't know it because I'm writing notes as the attorney's giving closing arguments for what's called rebuttal. And I have the bailiff come off the stand and say, can you please, he writes me a note, says, can you please have your client stop rolling her eyes while the other attorney's talking? Why is that a problem? Because the jury is looking at you the entire time while you're on, whether you're on the stand or whether you're just sitting in the courtroom, they're looking at you. And doing something like that is not well respected by the jury. And that came actually from the judge who sent it to the bailiff who came to me. So make sure your reactions stay the same. You don't react to questions, you don't roll your eyes, you don't scoff, you don't do anything like that that can cause attention being drawn to you. The other thing is, make sure that the jury can see your demeanor as you're sitting there. Sit there respectfully. Come into the courtroom respectfully. If you need to hold the door open for someone in front of the jury, hold the door open for someone in front of the jury. Don't be adversarial to the other side in front of the jury. That doesn't work. You need to show the best demeanor possible, put your best foot forward, because believe me, that jury is watching not only everything you do and everything we do, but they're watching you the entire time. They know what you wore, they talk about it in the jury room from what I heard, and they will talk about your demeanor if you act in an inappropriate way.